Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to present this Honda CB125R. Registered the 1st of September 21 on a 21 plate with only 2,386 miles, presented in matte gunpowder black metallic and benefiting from full service history. This particular CB125R was previously sold by our good selves and is adorned with quality touches like beefy 41mm upside-down forks, a 4-piston radial caliper, ABS and a LCD dash. Together these parts lend an added layer of sophistication not found elsewhere in this class. At the heart of the CB125R lies a peppy 125cc 2-valve single-cylinder engine producing 14.8 bhp, which is more than capable of getting ahead and staying ahead of the urban sprawl. This class-leading 125 comes serviced, where required, with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, 12 months MOT, and 3 months warranty. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional coverage. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 0142444 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Please note, there's a small £75 admin fee applicable to all our bikes. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.